Hi, I'm Angela from Universal Windows Direct, and today we are back on the road in Eureka, Missouri, talking with Melissa about her brand new double hung windows, which we're sitting in front of right now, and they are stunning. Melissa, we're so excited to be here with you today. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your pre-existing windows and why it was so important for you to have an upgrade?
So my husband and I bought this home 2 years ago, and we were surprised that for a 15-year-old home, how bad the windows were. They were poorly constructed. They had a lot of draft. You could just walk by them and feel the cold from inches away even. And we had several of them that just wouldn't open correctly, or they would slam shut.
Which is so crazy to me because most people, including myself, would never think when you're buying a new home, you're gonna have to upgrade those windows within a couple of years. That blows my mind. But luckily, you have these new Unishield windows, which you're never gonna have to worry about that ever again. Most people would think that because a home is a new build, new windows would be an unnecessary upgrade to focus on, but that couldn't be further from the truth. When builders are working on a new home, one of the features that lacks in quality the most are the windows. The materials used do not have a long lifespan, which can cause seal failure and leaking only a couple years into use. The vinyl is low quality, which leads to discoloration as well as chipping and breaking early in the life of the windows. And because they are the cheapest option, most builder-grade windows only meet the minimum requirements for energy efficiency for home installation. Replacement windows from UWD answer all of these problems. Deluxe hardware and high-quality materials are used that will withstand seal failure and wear and tear over the lifespan of the windows. They're built with virgin vinyl, so you don't have to worry about yellowing and chipping. And with features like foam-filled mainframes and our super spacer technology, your new windows will be up to 90% more energy efficient, saving you money on utility bills over time. They even help reduce noise transmission from outside, giving you a quieter home. Plus, with UWD's lifetime warranty, you'll never have to worry about replacing your home's windows ever again. How was it working with Universal Windows Direct so far?
So I was amazed from start to finish. The first appointment they came and measured everything and gave us a quote and just really listened to what I needed and what our problems were that we needed to solve. And they were able to guide us into the direction of the product that we chose today. My favorite part of it was that they were custom made for our home. So it wasn't like a cookie cutter window that they would purchase from a big box store and make it fit. They were actually going to build them to fit. And then the measure appointment was next, and they came out just to kind of double check what the salesman had done to make sure we had everything correct. And right then on his iPad, he was able to send the measurements over to the factory, and we knew by the time he left our driveway that the order was sent and they were going to get started on them.
Today we'll be doing a retrofit, or otherwise known as a pocket install, on Melissa's home. Instead of tearing out the entire frame and rebuilding, our master installer Thomas will simply remove the original builder grade windows and replace it with the new windows from UWD. Using the existing frame, the upgraded replacement windows will fit perfectly because each window is custom built for each customer. This allows for our installers to be minimally invasive to your home when replacing the windows because we don't have to remove the trim or the sill in order to do the install. What are you looking forward to most after this install is complete?
I'm looking forward to really two things: being able to open my windows on, especially now that spring is here, to let the fresh air in. And I love the fact that I'm gonna get to enjoy the view.
Yeah, you've got a beautiful view out here. You've got so much wilderness, so much greenery, all these animals coming around. I see such beautiful, bright birds, and you don't want that to be obstructed by your outdated grids.
Correct.
And it just is awesome. It opens it up. I love it. Now tell us, why do you believe that UWD was the best fit for the job?
So the warranty was my favorite part. I mean, a lifetime warranty, but not only that, they would transfer it for 30 years for the next homeowner. So not that we plan to move, but if we do ever want to move, I think that's a really good feature to be able to advertise in the sale of your home, is that you can purchase this home and get a 30-year warranty on top of.
You never have to worry about replacing your home's windows ever again. Now I just have one more question for you, Melissa. Are you loving your new windows?
I absolutely love my new windows. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today as we followed along Melissa's install process. These new windows are truly a night and day difference to her new home. If you're ready to transform your home, call or click today for your free estimate and you'll be saying, I love my windows.